Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, tracking says delivered, but you didn't receive anything. Or maybe the parcel itself hasn't arrived at all. Well, you may need to mark the item as not received. You should act before the protection period fully ends. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually mark item as not received on Vinted. You can use the app, website, it doesn't really matter. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. So as I said before, if you are using basically a phone, just go ahead, download the Vinted app, then open it, log in and everything else so you can access the inbox. But for me today, I'm gonna go to vinted.com, open the website, then continue login, basically using the email address and password, same steps, then access the email here or the inbox section. Then open the affected order, tap report a problem, then select item not received. Follow the instruction and submit. So basically they will show you a lot of prompts, instructions that you may basically follow all of them, accept the terms and everything, then submit. As for an important note, check tracking details first. Sometimes parcels are marked delivered early. As for more tips, check with neighbors or your pickup point. You can also contact the shipping courier for any confirmation. You should also report the issue immediately since waiting too long may automatically complete the order. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you all in the next video.